everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elmarie. Guys, today for lunch I am cooking chayote. In Jamaica we call this Cho Cho. For whatever reason, I don't know, but it's Cho Cho in Jamaica. Here in Canada and the US it's chayote. I don't know if it's because of the looks of the vegetable why it's called Cho Cho, but in Jamaica this is Cho Cho. So I will be pairing this with some saltfish. So guys, let's get started. So first I'll put the pot on to boil the water to cook the food, which I'm using ground provision today. I am cooking cassava and dasheen and some banana. This banana might look blackish, but I'm proud of it because this banana I planted myself in Jamaica and I get the chance to reap it myself and journey back to Canada with it. So I'll be eating this banana with pride. So I boil the water ahead of time. I'll just add it to the pot. This is just a shorter way because there we go now. The water is already boiling, so I can start adding the food to the pot. So instead of putting on the pot to have it boil, I'll just boil the water in the kettle before. Next I will add the banana. And I'm cooking the banana in the skin. Please, banana police, don't come for me. We can cook it this way as well. And I will add the saltfish to the pot while I put the banana in. The reason for doing this is because I don't want the banana to turn black on the other food that I will be putting in the pot. And also boiling the saltfish with the food, it flavors the food as well. Disappoint me. So to peel the cassava is just this thick coat you have to remove. Now guys, I will put this pot on just to cook the chayote by itself. The chayote can also cook in the same pot with the saltfish, wherein it would give the chayote itself more flavor. But the pot is small, one, and secondly, I chose to cook it by itself. So I am not going to use salt in the water cooking the chayote, or nothing at all for this matter, because the salt is going to be coming from the saltfish. So I don't want my food too salty. So I will cook the chayote by itself. And I just cut them so it will cook faster. It doesn't matter if the water is boiling, yes or no, you can just add the chayote to the water. Because I'm Jamaican though, I feel like I more want to say add the Cho Cho to the water, because back home it's Cho Cho. So now guys, I will just chop my ground provision, my season for the saltfish, and also I will be steaming some carrots. So here I have some carrot, different colors. This one is like a purplish carrot or black carrot, because these are all organic. So I will be cooking this as a side veg. This purple carrot or black carrot, I can't cook them together for one reason. This one, the color is so strong, or the carrot itself, it's so strong. So this one will turn these two into black as well. So this carrot, when I'm cooking it, I have to cook it separate, like, just cook it by itself. Sometimes I put these carrots in the oven. If I was putting it in the oven today, I wouldn't have to like separate them, but because I'm gonna be boiling it or steam them, I have to separate them. So these two, I will have them cook first. So now I will add them to the boiling water. I didn't used to black carrots in Jamaica. Since I'm here in Canada in the food industry, I learned the black carrot. It still tastes like the regular carrot, still tastes nice, still can make a juice, but if you mix it, it's gonna be all black because it's very inky. This is the looks of the inside. this pepper here, the brown pepper. I bought this pepper from Jamaica, and it's very, very hot, guys. It's one of those devil kind of peppers, so I'll just use a small amount of it because at least I want to enjoy my food. I'm only using, to cook the saltfish and the chayote, I'm only using the scallion and the onion, which the green onion and black pepper and the country pepper. Nothing else, no seasoning, no farmer pack seasoning, because I want to get the true taste of the chayote. Saltfish is already cooked, so I will remove it from the pot. I'll just clean it down and cool it down and clean it with some cold water. Obviously, because it's too hot to the touch. So what I'm doing now, I'm just removing the scale from the fish and the bones. So I pick the saltfish now in some fresh cold water. I'm trying to go between each layer of the fish to remove the excess salt. Give it a taste. Okay, all good. I will check the chayote now to see if it's cooked. You don't have to fully cook, halfway cook is good enough because I will be putting it on the fire another time. Almost there. For the veg, guys, I will add a little bit of salt. I'm using the pink Himalayan salt. Also, I would add some butter to the carrots. This is the color of it. And now I will add the black carrot to the same water and have it cook. Because trust me, even the water is going to turn black. These ones now, I'll remove the chayote from the pot. Because I need to touch them, now I will cool it with some water. I'll cool it down. Now I'll peel them and take the inside out. So now I remove the carrot, the black one. So for the chayote now, or the Cho Cho, I'll put my pot on just to have it cook up now. So I'll just chop it just like that. And guys, the Cho Cho or the chayote, it have like lots of benefit. If you're suffering with fatty liver, you remove the fat from the liver, because chayote, apart from the straight medicine in it, it's like 80% water that is in it, and it's healthy water that is in it, so it is good for so much, you name it, benefit for your health. So first I will add some oil to the pot. Then I will add my ground provision that I've chopped. I'll just let it saute a little, and then I will add the saltfish. I keep the saltfish in the water just to reduce the salt. Now I'll add the chayote. Lastly, I will put some black pepper. Okay, good. It's not salty. Now guys, I turn the flame down and I will leave it, so the chayote can soak in all the flavor and that nice juice from the saltfish, and also just to have it simmer, I'll leave it there for about 30 seconds more, because remember, the saltfish is already cooked and the chayote is already cooked, so it's just to combine them together. So in the meantime, I'll just do some housekeeping here and prepare myself for plating and eating. Now I'll just slice some veg, some tomato, so guys, this is the looks of it, the finished looks with the chayote and the saltfish. If you notice, I don't put tomato or anything else, or red onion, because I don't want to kill the color or kill the looks, the true look of the chayote. So I want it to stay green. There you have it, guys. Chayote and saltfish, or Cho Cho and saltfish. On this plate I have cassava, banana, dasheen, carrot, and avocado. We all love avocado. Guys, please remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Guys, if you watched the video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Now for the moment of truth. Guys, it's been a while. Long time me not eat Cho Cho. Even the pepper is kicking me. Very good. Very good. How long y'all do it again? Guys, thanks for watching.